The best staircase storage solutions. Floor-to-ceiling storage options, such as this impressive staircase by French architecture company Schema, provide the most under-the-stairs storage. The cabinets and a single bottom drawer make the most of every inch of under-stair space. Tom and Shay, the tiny home enthusiasts behind DIY House Building, say that their teeny house, which they call Lucy, wouldn't feel spacious if it wasn't for their storage staircase. Using the DIY house building instructions, which start with measuring and math, you can make your own storage staircase, too. Under-the-staircase solutions aren't just about where you can shove out-of-use items, but rather about maximizing the space to make your home as functional as possible. This micro-loft in Prague utilizes the staircase to maximize kitchen space. Under the steps, you'll find cabinets and a few major appliances, such as a convection oven and wine refrigerator. Guillaume Duty and Jenna Spessard, the traveling duo who write for Tiny House Giant Journey, created a staircase for their dog in their wee abode so the pup could join them in their loft space. It was constructed using around a dozen vintage wood crates, which they reinforced with nails and screws. This micro-apartment in Paris, designed by Kotoko Studio, has a bookcase staircase that leads to the loft bed. When the steps are not needed, they can be tucked inside the wall cabinet, which maximizes useful space in the apartment. A small NYC loft with double-height ceilings was transformed into a duplex, thanks to this ship ladder staircase. Not only did the steps create an additional level of living space, but they also provide the home with more storage. If you've never heard of ship ladder steps, here's the deal: stairs with alternating treads like this one are widely used in ships because they take up less space than conventional staircases. This one-of-a-kind staircase requires you to step on its coordinating desk and shelves so they can climb the suspended stairs. If you're interested in creating a similar storage solution, double-check local building codes. This particular example was designed for a home based in the Netherlands. However, even if you can't replicate it precisely, the concept is still an inspirational staircase storage idea. Just add handrails. This functional staircase, spotted on tiny house listings, features 4 different kinds of storage. 5 risers conceal dresser drawers, while one reveals a small bookcase. The side of the staircase houses a clothing rack and a lower compartment for storage bins. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.